Here is a quick tutorial on how to add a job in Kaptur. Simply press the Add Job button. This will then take you onto the job details page. Now, the majority of this information is pre-populated. Please note anything that has an asterisk next to it on the left-hand side here means that it is a mandatory field, but the page won't let you move forward if you've missed something that is mandatory. The majority of this information we would have taken from you when you onboarded as a Kaptur client. You need to select a client contact. You then need to scroll down and select a property address. Now, if you're adding a new address, simply press that Add Address button. This then brings up a postcode lookup, press search, and you can then select the address accordingly. Once you've added an address in the system the next time you go to do your next inspection, this information will already be in the job details list for you here. You then can select the property type, how many bedrooms the property has, whether the property has a garage, a garden, and whether it's unfurnished. Once you've filled in this information, you can then select the job type that you'll be doing. You then have an appointment start date and an appointment start time field. Now, the reason that you put in the appointment start date and start time is so that the job will appear as appointment booked and automatically download to your mobile device. You can then select the person that is doing the job, so it will always default to yourself. But if you're booking in an inspection on behalf of someone in your team, then you can just simply change the person that's doing the job. You then select key collection. Key collection will always duplicate itself, but again, if the key collection is different to the key drop-off, then you can change this accordingly. You then have two sections. You have your landlord details and you have your tenant details as well. Now, you can use your Kaptur system to send booking confirmations to your tenants and your landlords. You don't have to use this feature, but the choice is yours, and it gives you peace of mind knowing that everything has been booked in once you've saved the job. You can also add up to 10 tenants at a time, and you can then select the correspondence you want the tenant to receive. Carry on scrolling down and press save. And as soon as that job has saved, you'll see that the job status changes to appointment booked. This then means that the job will appear on either your mobile or tablet device, and all you need to do is simply press the downwards arrow on your mobile device in order to download the job. Please make sure that you have internet connection in order to do this, but you can continue doing the rest of the inspection offline when you're at the property. So I've created an inventory and it's given me a prompt to tell me that no rooms have been created because this is the first time that I'm going to this property. If you would like to create the rooms now, which we would always recommend as it means that you can just simply get on with the inspection when you're at the property, you've got a button here that says set up default rooms. Now, the default room button will go off of the bedroom size. So we have said that this is a 3-bedroom apartment. Simply press save. And the system will quickly create all of the rooms for you. Now, you may need to add in some additional bathrooms. You may also need to reorder the layout of the rooms. And again, you can do this on the mobile when you're at the property. However, you can always do it this way around so that everything is set up for you and it's just a case of doing the doing. So as you can see here, it's created all of the rooms that it thinks should be within a 3-bedroom apartment. And again, if, for example, I needed to create additional bathroom or an additional ensuite, then I can simply use the template below. And as you can see, it's created everything for me. And that's it. Your inspection is ready to download and ready for you to complete. Thanks for watching.